Astrid, this guy isn't messing around.
No kidding.
Our dragons may not be enough. We're gonna have to outthink this guy. Outsmart him somehow.
They say there are two ways to be fooled.
A truce? You have to be joking.
One is to believe what isn't true.
Viggo doesn't want a truce. What he really wants is to keep us away from something on his side of the game board.
The other is to refuse to believe what is.
Let's sweep the tunnels! Come on!
But you see, in maces and talons, as in life, the line between good and evil is often unclear. Black and white can become grey so easily.
If we do this, we're no better than the dragon hunters. We're just using a different cage. And he doesn't deserve it.
What one soul considers evil, another might consider righteous.
Look, there's really no moral ambiguity here.
The honorable chief who fails to see this is found to be